Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you cannot allow sharing your information with business partner on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on privacy and safety. Then scroll until you find data sharing with business partner. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of sharing information with business partner. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you cannot allow sharing information with business partner on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.